everyone. Say hi to Johnny Method.
At the bins. I'm a bins wolf.
Really? How much you want for it?
I might keep it for myself.
Might keep it?
Yeah.
It's XL, bro.
You know the Johnny Method?
This is Johnny Method, guys. Johnny will make anything fit.
Light skin face. Hey, do light skin face. Hey.
All right, thanks for showing me, Johnny.
This might be a bit too sweet.
Try it on, try it on.
Look at that. Is it?
80s reverse.
No way. It came
Nice. That's the strings too.
It is so tiny.
Look how
Sticker.
good the print is.
Soft.
Oh. What is this? I only got my reverse weave.
What's your strings, Jeffrey? Dang, it fits me. I don't like it. I'm kidding. Finally got my clothing pieces. I'm spending a lot of money this month. You guys are not ready.
How much?
You'll see.
Gentle. Wait.
I'm a gamer, dude. Dude, no shot. I'm a gamer.
Oh wait, is that a see-through one?
Yeah, it's a fish tank. Oh my god, it's a fish tank, dude. Holy crap, dude. This is for you guys. Put in the parts later. I'm busy. I have a soccer game later today. Yeah, got my keyboard. This monitor comes today. You're not ready. You're not ready. Why are you recording it? It's not simple. I'm not crazy.
Is here?
PC build. PC build. PC build. Motherboard in. Motherboard. Wait, what? Everything's good. I gotta go to the soccer game. We're not done. See you later. Time to set up my keyboard. Alright, with the little magic movie magic, whatever they say.
Man, I just got my hair cut, bro. I ain't about to do that shit.
Give a little review.
I'm about to take a lot of pics with this haircut.
Just like,
about to take a nigga
voila.
pics with this haircut.
What's
I'm
that
here.
sound?
About to
Smells kind of janky, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'll probably lube. Shout out my boy, my cousin Ryan. Lubed my switches. Yeah, let's give it a little test. Thaki. Behold. The G stands for gay. Look at his arms set up. Don't worry about it. Alright, are you ready? We're peeling. I can't even peel it. Oh. Any dead pixels? Yeah, no glare now, boys. No glare now.
Look at the flick of that wrist.
Alright, what's the first thing I'm not gonna do on here? Don't go. Bro, get out of here, bro. Look at mine. You like my mouse pad? What's the first thing you're gonna know? Alright, let's run it, boys. This is what I'm gonna do all day long.
So you do a PZ just a type?
Yep.
Hey, that's pretty. Not bad, man.
I'm a dumbass. What are you doing, Jeffrey? Is it that sketchy, bro?
I'm trying to retouch your chest.
Nah. Is this fear of God?
Fear God, dude.
Oh, is this Patagonia? Deep pile? Look, are you ready? Deep pile, please. I'm an editor, see?
Wait, can you try the skirt?
I'm not trying on no
It's a
skirt.
matching skirt, you have to.
I'm not gonna try it. I'm not trying it. I'm Kid Cudi. Damn, took an L on this piece. Anthony's too slow. Let's see what we got today. Made in USA. Wanna be Gucci's. Can't believe. Yep. Rick Owens! Yo, what in the Rick Kicks?
I'm not rocking flight.
Mate, I can't reach.
Oh, China?
You want some Ricks?
It's far away.
Fire? Fire? What the? Bro, Anthony, your shoe would fit this story. Would y'all even notice?
Pac-Man and these for $6.
$6, man. Here, we're not gatekeeping this one. Texas Thrift. Little stitch. Let's see what else we can find. This is hard.
Thought about relationship with codeine. Dripping every day, I'm so fresh, so clean.
At the bandos. We'll wash this, don't worry. Look at this camel shirt. Pack of camels.
Just didn't look in this box.
Ashtrays. Are you ready? We're gonna find some dead ones. What is this? The Redskins? Oh, this fire. Dang, this fire. Hats. Cup. Hella hats. No denim. D-Nam. Is that a TV? No mommy's way. That's 13. Stadia. How big that thing is.
Does it make 5 something to the wheel? 5 the true sleeper.
True sleeper. Family wagon. Garrett. What y'all know about Garrett? Right hand drive.
This thing got 1.45.
45,000. You guys hear that? That's 14. That's 13. Silver moss? What? No, it's cookie. Automatic though. Dang. R.I.P. R.I.P. What happened to the silver moss? Only 500 made. Dang, it's Anthony's car. Damn. Wow, it smells like 240. 240 Junkyard over here. Silver moss. Crazy. This is mad old. Raiders suck now though. Allen? Josh Allen? This is from the 70s, man. Look at this flag tag. Koi Oats Bluff Glass. Aggies? Pretty cool though. Sick. From Green Bay. Looney Tune stuff. Man, we gotta start hitting bendos more. Anyone know what this is? Signed. Oh, this is a Cowboys. This is pretty cool. Disney. Oh, Marlboro jacket. It's cool. Oh yeah, this sick Harley shirt.
989, 80s Harley.
It says Elvis.
Yeah.
That's Elvis Presley. More Looney Tune stuff. We got PS2 and some Barbies from the 60s. 68.
Look at that booty, show me the booty.
Vintage Space Jam. Jeffrey wanted this so bad. Dang, there's 2 boxes. Pretty cool. A 70s pillowcase. Garfield. 78. Look how old this is, dude. Harley. More Harley? You would love the Harley. More Harley? Oh, this is a good piece. Another Marlboro. That's sick. Yeah, this is all from the bando. consumevtg. Hey Michael, how is it, man? No, Ken didn't get his food. Spicy salmon, spicy tuna, spicy salmon. Awesome roll. Look how awesome this is. Oh, Ken's grubbing. So is Michael. Ken got the Frank man's on, cuz.
Get some boba.
Some boba.
Oh, so in sync.
S2K. It looks like a retarded shark. You guys ever seen S2K? The shift knob, yeah. It's nice. And the start button. The start button's pretty cool. It looks like an arcade. When are you free?
Anytime next week is fine.
Alright, just let me know the date and I'll be there.
Okay, alright, man.
Alright, thanks a lot.
If you see us in the club, we'll be acting real nice. If you see us on the floor, you'll be watching all night. We're here. Like, subscribe.
subscribe at consumevtg. Also follow.
Wanna see you work your body. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me.
I think, yeah, that's $10. $10. Thanks for watching, y'all. We really appreciate it. Next video is gonna be, trust me, it's gonna be better. Next video, watch out for the next video though. It's gonna be a little personal. Not like personal, but like it's a personal, if you know what I mean. But yeah, pop up DFW this weekend. Yeah, organizing, always doing something, you know, never not doing something. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Stay tuned.